behind the scenes.
Imagine me doing this while I'm driving.
We'd be dead, dude.
How about this?
Yeah, it's probably good, right?
Or how about down here? Oh, there we go.
We're podcasting now, bro. No one even gets it. We're mic'd up, too.
I know.
Welcome to Everyday Plumbing, the good, the bad, the ugly, with Chuck Barron.
We're ready.
All right. So here's our first episode of, we don't know the name of this yet. We do a lot of thinking and figuring in the van. So my thought was, podcast on wheels, something. We'll have a name for it by the end of the show.
Yeah, you had some good ones, but I forget what they
I
were.
can't remember what, this is why you got to write everything down. So one of the things we did today, we have a radiator job, which you'll see the bits and pieces of. The big problems in a radiator house is typically a one-pipe system takes care of multiple floors, and you can never put the thermostat in a spot that'll make both floors happy. If you put it upstairs, it shuts off too fast and keeps the first floor cool. If you put it downstairs, second floor cooks out. So we're in the process of doing a thermostatic valves on radiators, and that will actually legitimately make each room your desired temperature by the radiator itself. Or you can go this excuse me, you can go the big money route, split the heat system, which is really hard with radiators. I've done it. You have to split each system. Typically a radiator will pick up 2 or 3 vertically together. So you got to start splitting them, and it becomes a lot of work, a lot of figuring, but it can be done. Or you can just go baseboard heat and take it all out, which I'm not a fan of. I love radiators. But that was one of the things we were figuring out on our new, what are we going to call this?
I don't know, but I do think radiator heat's the best heat. If you look at our one of our shorts recently, somebody was saying like he took out all his radiators, put in like the fanciest thing, like spent like a lot of money, and he wishes he just had his radiators back. So
a lot of, what do they call that? Still in rippers over there, 360s.
Jet ski guys.
Yeah. Buyer's remorse. Buyer's remorse. Now we got Marcy calling. Should we call her up, put her on speaker? Yeah, let's do it. Call her up, put her on speaker, tell her she's live on podcast. So, one of my big things I got going on out here in the world is multiple phone calls coming in that when I go off grid with the guys or the office, it's because I had to concentrate. And here we go. Marcy, you're live. How can I help you? All right, well, I'm driving. I'm on podcast in the car. Probably going to take this. All right, we're going to Still Harbor. You're good.
Yeah, everything's good.
All right, cool. I'll call you when I get to Stone Harbor. Thank you.
That was one of 500 phone calls in the last 20 minutes.
And I would say 90% of them are all nonsense. Did I ever call Chucky back?
No. Yeah, you did. Or that was Angelo, maybe.
That was Angelo. Chucky. Let's call him back. Wow.
We're back from lunch. You have your mic on? Yeah.
I got my mic on, but I don't know if I can get it past my throat. We just housed some burgers at 96th Street. Thank you, Brett D'Onofrio. My stomach's very full. And now I gotta try and talk while we're driving home on our first. This is like part 2 of the first one because we started this down on the way down here and decided let's wait till we come back, which I don't know, it's a good idea.
We were checking the audio too.
Did we ever check it?
Yeah, it was good.
Oh, good. All right, cool. Anyway, we're kicking around this theme of we exchange a lot of information in the trucks, either with main man Robert right here, or with the guys calling me on the road a lot. I wear a lot of hats, but this is a 40-minute ride, so we said let's do it. Let's put something together. So what's the subject today, Robert? Should we go water?
Yeah, we can go that. Well, I mean, yeah, water, filters, radiators, outdoor showers.
Thanksgiving. Prepping for Thanksgiving, what to do and not to do.
Well, that's actually a good one for us. We did a video last year that was pretty good, but not putting all your stuff in the sink, using the trash can.
So, for you guys who like to cook, your mommies out there, whatever, it is a huge thing to fill up your disposal with 20 pounds of potato peels. There goes the drain doctor. Hi. That you gotta dump that stuff in the trash can. Number one. If not, you will be having a plumber come to Thanksgiving dinner with you, because you will clog your drains.
For sure. But I mean, they do work pretty good. I've seen people put a lot of stuff in there. They get past the disposal, but they don't like it when they get in the drains. Remember the guy, we were at his house, this was maybe 2 years ago though, and we were like, oh, did you put anything down your sink lately? And he goes, oh no, I just peeled a bag of potatoes. And I was like, what do you mean that means nothing? He's like, oh no, that's meant to go down there.
It's amazing. Well, you know what isn't meant to go down there is everything but food. Like, you don't put rocks, beer caps, and we find it all in there. And broken glass is a real danger. But I have a family member. This family member haunts me. Miss Marcy. She loves using disposal as a trash can. So.
No way.
Oh yeah.
So she's a legend.
Yeah. That and the dishwasher. We never clean a filter. We got to keep calling our handler to come repair it.
No way.
Miss Marcy. She's the best.
So it's, you guys go against everything that
I'm trying to preach. That's right. Because I'm the one out there fixing it. And guess who fixes the house?
You.
You guys just did a clear job.
Me and Angelo.
That's right.
That's our second highest viewed video online.
Yeah.
It's crazy. That was all grease though. But you guys don't use grease.
No, not at all. And what else has happened? We got Thanksgiving week coming up. Football. Oh, we got to do our Milwaukee football game.
We got to do the Milwaukee football game. But you know, I was just thinking before this that we went to Stone Harbor to Ocean City before Stone Harbor to look at an outside shower for
yes,
a surfboard thing. And I was just thinking that I think it would be more special to people. Like the lady was like thinking we could get it for her, but then she realized maybe she'll get her own. I think if you're thinking about doing an outside shower with a surfboard, you should get one yourself or get it at like a yard sale or something, so it's like your style.
Yeah.
Because we could pick any surfboard, but it might not fit like the decor of your house. I was thinking like That's a big choice. That's kind of like picking like a full-on chrome faucet or something for your house. You know what I mean? It's not something you want other people to pick necessarily. That was just side note.
Yeah, no, I actually agree. And once you said that, she wants two.
Yep.
One for the garage, and this is a newly renovated house, so I'm sure she's going to want new because everything's new. But she wanted one on her shed, bang.
Yep.
Just for deco, and then of course the outside shower.
For deco as well.
Yes.
So they would need to match or whatever, and they might not want to be like a blue or like a pink, like a Cat surfboard. They only make them like 3 colors. So it's definitely just, I never thought about it like that because I've been messaging people back, oh, we can supply the surfboards, like a no-brainer. But then now that I've met up with that lady, I'm just thinking it's more of a personal pick.
We can start making surfboards.
Well, I have done that in the past.
Do some customs.
They're really custom. They're bad. They're not good to ride.
So again, that's a personal choice. That's a great point you bring up, Rob.
Well, just because we did the one at Brigantine that's got everybody talking about the outside showers, Jake actually is the one that put it together.
Yep.
But like, it looks so good and works so well, but they picked the surfboard out and it matches their house perfect.
Yes.
So
he actually had that one laying around the house. He goes, "Can I use this?" I was like, "Yeah," and it ended up being perfect.
yeah.
So going on to another outside shower, which is we do AZAC showers,
Yeah.
which looks really cool. Robert's actually the brains behind the AZAC boxes, and we put in the code approved faucet, so anti-scald. And what makes me bring this even up is that we're calling customers that we haven't heard from that we built these customs, because the last thing we want to do is let them freeze up. So we actually reached out to our people, and the one in particular, 28th Street,
Yep.
was stoked that we called him because he actually forgot. We're going to go over there and winterize that next week, plus do another little bit of work on his heat. So again, a reminder out there, guys. I know it isn't cold yet, and it's going to be December 1st on Monday next week, that it's coming. You know, I think we got a little dip over the weekend, and it won't be along the coast because the ocean keeps the water, check that, the ocean keeps the temp 5 to 10 degrees warmer than the mainland, but then we pay the price in the spring where we stay colder, they stay warmer. So the ocean dictates a 10-degree swing.
Which you can really feel it actually, because I live on the mainland, and when I come in the morning, it's like I'm going into a heat tunnel. Feels good.
Actually, today was a great day for no wind.
Yep.
No wind on the island, which is rare.
So if you're looking to get a custom outside shower, whether it's AZAC or a surfboard, we're definitely the guys.
Yeah.
I can say that.
Can't surf.
No, actually, we're pretty good.
I gotta surf some more.
Yeah. I mean, they've seen it. If anyone watched the one, they know you're a pro. Pro or a Joe?
Well, bro, we got a pro versus Dro pod coming up. Really interesting. And again, we're just trying to teach and preach, man. From the do-it-yourselfers to the apprentices to our fellow co-workers, or even just my employees, friends, and family. Like, we're trying to do stuff right out here, or at least send you in the right direction. If you got any questions for us, feel free to hit us up. DM us. Call the office.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Yeah. Send it to your friends, to your mom and dad, to your grandma.
Nah, but for real, like the video, because it does help with the algorithm, and it will at least get other plumbers to be able to see these videos.
Yeah.
So if you haven't been liking them, at least when you watch them, like them, comment on them, let us know what you're thinking, let us know what we're doing wrong, let us know what you want us to be doing, like what you guys would actually like to watch, and we're going to start doing it. We're trying to take it more seriously. We're putting in the work.
Yes. And if you want to be a guest, hit me up. We have multiple guests coming upon our podcast in person and virtually, or just by phone. So we're doing it right, we're doing it serious, and we actually enjoy it. Rob, what do we got?
I'm pretty fried now after that lunch.
What do we got, folks? You know what we got?
We got another satisfied customer.
There we go. It's coming. I'm going to get someone with it. He knew it was coming. So we'll see you at the next one, guys. Appreciate you. Have a great weekend.
Welcome to Everyday Plumbing, the good, the bad, the ugly, with Chuck Barron.